Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today we will learn two different ways to convert a pivot table into a standard table in Microsoft Excel 365. For this tutorial, we are working with a pivot table generated from a product summary data. Our goal is to convert this pivot table data into a regular table that we can edit and format. Let's get started. In first method, we will copy the pivot table values and convert them into a standard Excel table. To get started, first click on any cell inside the pivot table, head to the Pivot Table Analyze tab, select the Actions drop-down, then click on Select drop-down. Further down, select Entire Pivot Table. This ensures we select the entire pivot table. This is handy when the pivot table is very large. Next, click on the pivot table, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy, then go to cell E3 or any empty cell and right-click. Under Paste Options, select Values. This pastes only the raw data without any pivot table functionality. Now let's convert this into a proper table. Make sure the new data is selected, then press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This opens up Create Table dialog box. Ensure My Table Has Headers box is checked and click OK. And there you go. We successfully converted our pivot table into a standard Excel table. Let's check the second method. In the second method, we will use a VBA, Visual Basic for Applications macro, to automatically convert the pivot table to a regular table. Let's dive in. Before we begin, first ensure the Developer tab is visible. In my case, the Developer tab is visible, but in case if you don't see the Developer tab, right-click on any tab, select Customize the Ribbon option. This opens up Excel Options dialog box. In the Customize ribbon, on the right-hand side, scroll all the way down and make sure to check the Developer box. Click OK. After that, the Developer tab should be visible. Now head to the Developer tab. In the Code section, select Visual Basic. This opens up VBA Editor. At the top, click Insert and select Module. This opens up a new module. In the module, type this code. Let's understand the code. Line 1 starts the macro and gives it a name. Next, line 2 to 7 creates variables for the source worksheet, the pivot table, a range, the destination cell, the destination sheet, and finally the table object. Then, lines 8 to 11 assigns the actual worksheet, the pivot tables, and the destination cell. Here's a quick note. In line 8 and in line 9, change the VBA macro sheet with your actual sheet names. Moving on, line 12 copies the entire pivot table. Following this, line 13 pastes only the values to the destination cell, so it's no longer a pivot table. Next, line 14 clears the clipboard by turning off Cut Copy mode. Now, lines 15 and 16 finds the last row and the last column of the pasted data in the destination sheet. Then line 17 creates a table using the pasted range, including the headers. Followed by line 18 applies a table style to format the table. And finally, line 19 ends the macro. Now to run the macro, press F5 on your keyboard or click the Run tab at the top and select Run Sub/User Form. Now close the VBA editor, and just like that, the VBA macro has automatically converted the pivot table into a regular table. And that's a wrap. Two effective ways to convert a pivot table into a standard table. Download the workbook link below. Visit excelinsider.com for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.